Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of the ECOVACS DEEBOT robot. It's a vacuum and mopping robot. So I'm gonna do unboxing, show you close up the pictures and video. Also will show how it in action, and then I'll do review on this robot after a few days. So let's open up. So it comes in a few pieces. So this is a station gonna be, all right. And then it comes with this one is probably for adapter somewhere. I'm gonna figure out later. And then it comes with a box. This box will have, let's see what is inside. So most likely different brushes and trash bag. Yeah, and mopping, different mopping microfiber attachment. Also with manual and some filter. So you would probably need in the future to buy filters and all this supply. So it's not like you have to replace it probably once every few months. Okay, and this is the robot itself. Let's see. So here you go. It's pretty well packed, so it will not get damaged. So it looks like this. I'm gonna pull out. It's weight about 7.8 pounds, so it's kind of heavy, but again, you don't have to lift it much. So here's the robot. So basically you open it up, I guess, and you put filters over here, most likely this piece, inserting. So let's see. Okay, actually it does have already filter in, so you don't really need to insert it right now. It's a replacement filter. Okay, 5 microfiber pads for replacement, and this one is for mopping as well. And then you pull out these pieces from both sides. Remove this plastic around, and it looks like this on the back with a brush in the middle. So this one is brushes, and they go with different colors, green and red. So I'll insert the green to the green. You just need to push it in. Actually it's only 2. And for mopping you attach this piece right over here. Just push it in and it stays there. I believe you turn on, you have to download the app most likely to set it up with app. So you can in the app you can set up parameter of your house and mapping. So you turn it on, just move this one to the right, close it. Also to open this bin you just push it over here and it should open up. This is a trash bag. I think it's so small for my house, so I will see how it will work. It's again, it's kind of small, and we'll figure out. Just close it, and that's how it looks. To set up this robot, pretty simple. You just scan with your phone camera, then install the software. Then you just turn on, scan it again, connect to Wi-Fi, and then turn on, press this button, and just follow the instruction on display. So it's pretty simple. Once the robot connects to your app on the phone, you can manage it and also put a restriction where you want the robot to vacuum or map. It will have all this option. Then it will update the map, and it will work. You can do it on scheduled or without schedule, and it works at night or at light. So it does have a camera, so for privacy it includes special cover up if you want to cover the camera as well. And now I want to show you how this robot will dock to the charging station and also remove the garbage and transfer to this bin. I want to warn you, it will be very loud, so be prepared.